माझं नाव शीतल निवृत्ती केंद्रे. माझ्या क्लासचं नाव द विजन अकॅडमी. मी कॅनपासून 56 वाक्ये कशी बनवायचे हे सांगणार, म्हणजे बोलणार. सांगू? I can draw picture. I cannot draw picture. Can I draw picture? When can I draw picture? Where can I draw picture? How can I draw picture? Why can I draw picture? We can I draw picture? We cannot draw picture. Can we draw picture? When can you draw picture? Where can you draw picture? How can you draw picture? Why can you draw picture? You can draw picture. You cannot draw picture. Can you draw picture? When can you draw picture? Where can you draw picture? How can you draw picture? Why can you draw picture? you, you can draw picture. You cannot draw picture. Can you draw picture? When can you draw picture? Where can you draw picture? How can you draw picture? Why can you draw picture? um, he can draw picture. He cannot draw picture. Can he draw picture? When can he draw? When can he draw picture? Where can he draw picture? How can he draw picture? Why can he draw picture? She can draw picture. She cannot draw picture. Can she draw picture? When can she draw picture? Where can she draw picture? How can she draw picture? Why can she draw picture? It can draw picture. It cannot draw picture. Can it draw picture? When can it draw picture? When can it draw picture? Where can it draw picture? How can it draw picture? Why can it draw pictures? They can draw picture. They cannot draw picture. Can they draw picture? When can they draw picture? Where can they draw picture? How can they draw picture? Why can they draw picture? Very good.
माझं नाव अनिकेत गजानन डगे. मी इयत्ता 10वी जातो आणि माझ्या क्लासचे नाव द विजन अकॅडमी. मी आय कॅन ईट मँगोवर वाक्य बनवणार आहे. आय कॅन ईट मँगो. आय कॅन नॉट ईट मँगो. कॅन आय ईट मँगो? वेन कॅन आय ईट मँगो? वेअर कॅन आय ईट मँगो? हाऊ कॅन आय ईट मँगो? व्हाय कॅन आय ईट मँगो? वी कॅन ईट मँगो. वी कॅन नॉट ईट मँगो. कॅन वी ईट मँगो? वेन कॅन वी ईट मँगो? वेअर कॅन वी ईट मँगो? हाऊ कॅन वी ईट मँगो? Why can we eat mango? You can we eat mango? You cannot eat mango. Can you eat mango? When can you eat mango? Where can you eat mango? How can you eat mango? Why can you eat mango? You can eat mango. You cannot eat mango. When can you eat mango? Where can you eat mango? Why can you eat mango? How can you eat mango? He can eat mango. He cannot eat mango. Can he can eat mango. He cannot eat mango. Can he eat mango? When can he eat mango? How can he eat mango? Where can he eat mango? Why can he eat mango? She eat mango. She cannot eat mango. She cannot eat mango. Can she eat mango? When can she eat mango? Where can she eat mango? How can she eat mango? Why can she eat mango? It can eat mango. Cannot eat mango. Can it can it can mango. It cannot mango. Can eat mango. When can eat mango? Where can eat mango? How can eat mango? Why can eat mango? They can eat mango. They cannot eat mango. They eat mango? When can they eat mango? Where can they eat mango? Why can they eat mango? Thank you.
My name is Prithviraj Varade. I study in the Vision Academy. I I can write poem. I cannot write poem. Can I write poem? When can I write poem? Where can I write poem? Why? How can I write poem? Why can I write poem? You can write poem. You can write poem. You cannot write poem. You can you write poem? When can you write poem? Where where can you write poem? How can you write poem? Why can you write poem? You we can we can write poem. We cannot write poem. We can we write poem? Where can we write poem? How can we write poem? Why can we write poem? You can write poem. You cannot write poem. Can you write poem? When can you write poem? Where can you write poem? How can you write poem? Why can you write poem? He can write poem. He cannot write poem. When can he write poem? When can he write poem? Where can he write poem? How can he write poem? Why can he write poem? She can write poem. She cannot write poem. Can she write poem? When can she write poem? Where can she write poem? How can she write poem? Why can she write poem? It can write poem. It cannot be write poem. It can it write poem? When can it write poem? Where can it write poem? How can it write poem? Why can it write poem? They can write poem. They cannot write poem. Can they write poem? Where when can they write poem? Where can they write poem? How can they write poem? Why can they write poem?
माझं नाव से लगाना पड़ेगा इसको लग रहा नहीं माझं नाव संग्राम मनेरे मी आत्ता 10वीच्या क्लासमध्ये आहे माझ्या क्लासचं नाव द विजन अकॅडमी मी तुम्हाला आय कॅन रन फास्ट वाक्य सांगणार आहे I can run fast, I cannot run fast. Can I run fast? When can I run fast? Where can I run fast? How can I run fast? Why can I run fast? You can I run fast? You can not run fast. Can we run fast? When can we run fast? Where can we run fast? How can we run fast? Why can we run fast? He can run fast. He cannot run fast. He can he run fast? When can he run fast? Where can he run fast? How can he run fast? Why can he run fast? She can he run fast? She can not run fast. Can she run fast? When can she run fast? Where can she run fast? How can she run fast? Why can she run fast? Can it can run fast? It cannot run fast. It cannot run fast. Can it run fast? When can it run fast? Where can it run fast? How can it run fast? Why can it run fast? They can it run they can run fast. They cannot run fast. Can they run fast? When can they run fast? Where can they run fast? How can they run fast? Why can they run fast?
My name is Omkar Nurjutte. I am making the sentences of I can play cricket. I can play cricket. I cannot play cricket. Can I play cricket? When can I play cricket? Where can I play cricket? How can I play cricket? Why can I play cricket? We can play cricket. We cannot play cricket. Can we play cricket? When can we play cricket? Where can we play cricket? How can we play cricket? Why can we play cricket? You can play cricket. You cannot play cricket. Can you play cricket? When can you play cricket? Where can you play cricket? How can you play cricket? Why can you play cricket? You can play cricket. You cannot play cricket. Can you play? When can you play cricket? Where can you play cricket? How can you play cricket? Why can you play cricket? He can play cricket. He cannot play cricket. Can he play cricket? When can he play cricket? She can play cricket. Where can he play cricket? How can he play cricket? Why can he play cricket? She can play cricket. She cannot play cricket. When can she play cricket? Where can she play cricket? How can she play cricket? Why can she play cricket? It can play cricket. It cannot play cricket. Can he play cricket? When can he play cricket? Why can he play cricket? How can he play cricket? They can play cricket. They cannot play cricket. Can they play cricket? Why? When can they play cricket? Where can they play cricket? How can they play cricket? Why can they play cricket? Thank you.
I can teach English. I cannot teach English. Can I teach English? Where can I teach English? When can I teach English? How can I teach English? Why can I teach English? We can teach English. We cannot teach English. How can we teach English? Where can we teach English? When can we teach English? How can we teach English? Why can we teach English? You can teach English. You cannot teach English. Can you teach English? When can you teach English? Where can you teach English? How can you teach English? Why can you teach English? You can teach English. You cannot teach English. Can you teach English? Where can you teach English? When can you teach English? How can you teach English? Why can you teach English? He can teach English. He cannot teach English. Can he teach English? Where can he teach English? When can he teach English? How can he teach English? Why can he teach English? She can teach English. She cannot teach English. Can she teach English? When can she teach English? Where can she teach English? How can she teach English? Why can she teach English? It can teach English. It cannot teach English. Can it teach English? When can it teach English? Where can it teach English? How can it teach English? Why can it teach English? They can teach English. They cannot teach English. Can they teach English? Where can they teach English? When can they teach English? Why? How can they teach English? Why can they teach English?
कोणतं सांगू? I can ride. I can drive car. I cannot drive car. Can I drive car? When can I drive car? How can I drive car? Where can I drive car? Why can I drive car? You can I drive car? You can drive car. You म्हणलं ना सर. You can drive car असं म्हणलं मी. म्हणजे हो सॉरी. We can drive car. We cannot drive car. Can we drive car? When can we drive car? Where can you drive car? Why? How can we drive car? How can we drive car? Why can we drive car? You can we drive car? You cannot drive car. Can you drive car? When can you drive car? Where can you drive car? How can you drive car? Why can you drive car? I will he paper there. I will you he can drive car. He cannot drive car. He cannot drive car. Can he drive car? When he drive car? Where can he drive car? How can he drive car? Why can he drive car? She can drive car. She is not drive car. She is sorry. She can drive car. She cannot drive car. She can she drive car? When थांबा विसरले मी. When can she drive car? When can she where can she drive car? How can she drive car? Why can she drive car? It can drive car. It cannot drive car. Can it drive car? When can it drive car? Where can it drive car? How can it drive car? Why can it drive car? They can drive car. They can drive car. They cannot drive car. Can they drive car? Cannot. Sorry. When can they drive car? Where can they drive car? How can they drive car? Why can they drive car?
Very good. Well done.
Thank you.